Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura from Diamond Painting and Stitching with Laura, and today I have an unbagging. It's from Amazon. Alright, this I got from Amazon, and the first thing in here are plastic bobbins for the stitching, that's lovely, for the stitching. And I paid, there were 200 pieces in this. I paid $10.99, and I got it from the Becky store. And they're the plastic bobbins that you wind your thread around, since, yeah, what I have is a little bit big, and they're not working out so hot. So I went and bought these, and trying to pull one out here for you. We're trying, guys. We're trying. They're plastic. I've never seen them plastic before. Hang on, guys. Whoa. Sorry. I got my arm, too. And I love it. And I paid $14.99 for it from the NAHAM store on Amazon. And these were all ordered probably about Monday, so they got to me today. But here's the bobbins, and it has a place where you wind it, and it holds it, and then you wrap, and then when you finished, you wrap it on the other side or that same side. So that'll be cool. And there's 200 of them in there, and they're all in, I guess they're in 20s, sets of 20s like this. So I'll put that back in there before that becomes another nightmare. And I got those, the bobbins from, I told you that, Becky store. And I have had a pair of these back when I did do stitching, and for the life of me, I have no idea where the heck they went. But we have new scissors. Yay! I'm so excited. My other ones were the stork, and they were real pointy. These are stainless steel. They've got some weight to them. It says vintage European stainless steel, and these are the silver ones. They had them in silver, copper, and gold, I believe. But I like the silver the best. I figured it wouldn't tarnish. It's stainless steel, so that means they're not going anywhere. And them puppies are sharp and pointy. And I got those from the HRT PROD store. Okay? And also in a different bag, but it all came at the same time, so whoops, I'm just going to do it at the same time. Let me lay them scissors down before I poke myself, because that was cool. I was looking to see if, I guess not. We used to have these kind of scissors, like the older ladies that were in the yarn shop where I used to go when I was little. Man, them pokey. They need an end cover, but there's no end cover. They used to have is it a chatterling, where they connected them and then put them around their neck. Okay, but that didn't have that. Okay, so this one I got from the SETODA store. And I paid $21.78. It is another cross stitch, and it's also printed. It's 27 by 15, and the picture is right here. I'll kind of go this way and this way. I'll take this out because it's from Joy Sunday. I love that Joy Sunday, so I got another one. Can you see it all? Isn't that pretty? Okay, it comes with this piece of paper. It is 11 count, and it says 69 by 39 centimeters. Comes with the thing, and it shows you how it's broken up here on this paper, down here into 3 different parts. It has the key on this side, and then it opens up. And so there's 3 pages, 1, 2, and 3, which is nice. I like that part. I'm beginning to like these. Oh, nope. I will never get lost away from diamond painting because I love diamond painting. And in fact, when I sit down, it's like, okay, I want to diamond paint. Okay, no, I want to sit. I can't do them both at the same time. Not happening. All right. In here, let me get rid of this and set it over there. It comes with an instruction book. And also it shows you how to clean it when you're done. It says stitch instruction, then it says notes. And it's on the same on each side. I don't get that. I guess, yeah, I don't understand. So let's look. Okay, and it's on this thing. That's why I bought these bobbins. Okay, so it comes with 2 needles. These needles have been really good. I'm just impressed. I went and bought needles thinking they were going to be as cheaply made as the ones that I had from that other one, and they weren't. So now this, I thought maybe, that's strange. There are, let me look. I'm sorry. I'm going ahead of myself. Okay, so in here, let me just kind of fold it back. Okay, it says the full stitches are numbers 1 through 29. Then it has a few that are French knots and a few that are back stitch. And then, I guess, I don't know why this would be separate. Oh God, does it have lame in it? Oh, heaven help us. I don't want to use lame. Okay, I don't know why that is. But this says 10, 16, I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't know why this is like this, but okay, so there are evidently 31 colors. Oh, huh? Okay, this is a little different. I've never done this before, but as I'm reading, it says full stitch, and it says number 10 and number 24. So I'm assuming you take one of each of those and use it. And then on this one, you use 16 and number 8 to get H. Oh, this will be a piece of work. And blah, blah, blah. So evidently you use 2 different threads for that symbol, that symbol, that symbol, that symbol. Okay? But the rest of them are single symbols. So this is a little bit more exciting. Alright, so we'll go with these first, and I will take them off of there. I don't know what all this is over here unless it's excess. 10. Yeah, this is just the excess for those colors. And there's 31 colors. Aren't they pretty? And they're so soft. That's what I like about Joyce. Whoops. I am sorry. I'm going to have to get used to this thing. But I'm not used to it being so close. So maybe I can take it up a little bit. But we have some 310. I can tell right off. See, we know 310 real well. I wonder, number 1 is 208. I thought maybe that was that 550, but it's not. And neither is that one. So it's got lots of nice, pretty colors in it, and I'll be taking that apart. But I just love the picture. It was cool. Okay, let's get that out of our way. Now let's look at the canvas. The canvas looks really clear. It starts down here. And it has the key running along the bottom. And I have not had, on that other one that I got from Joy Sunday, I am not having a problem reading all the symbols or whatever. And if I do, I kind of refer to the thing. But I don't have to, like the beaded cross stitch, I don't have to go like line by line by line, you know, trying to figure it out. But I can go and kind of pinpoint if I wanted that symbol and I couldn't read it down here as being number 24, I could look it up on the chart. And the chart is very clear. And this is just stunning. This will be cool. My problem is I get all this crap ahead. Oh, my light pad's trying to turn on. I know. Diamond painting time. Yeah, I know. Get over it. But this will be pretty. I haven't done anything with birds, and it's got hummingbirds, and it's got a cardinal, It's like the male and the female cardinal. And I think, don't quote me people, this is going to be an Oreo, I can't ever say that, Oreo. And this, I'm not sure, but this one up here is a robin. But this one is yellow with, yeah, just yellow, like a light and a dark yellow. But it's really pretty, and I love them flowers. It reminds me of a flower garden. I always wanted to have a beautiful, beautiful flower garden. And these up here are going to be, what is it called? I want to say bleeding heart, but that's not right. It's the red with the things sticking down. The little, I don't know what they're called. A certain kind of flower. And then this right here is a little basket full of pansies, which is my absolute all-time favorite. Love it. Flower. And this is a wicker basket, and this is kind of a lined, like variegated, not variegated, but graded down pot over here. And then on this end we have a water pitcher with some daffodils and more daffodils, and this is a tulip. So you have quite a variety. And these little ones right here, there's right in here some more flowers, and those are violets. So yeah, it's I'll show you the picture again. But this is a nice clear canvas. I love it, I love it, I love it. But here's the actual photo again. So you can see how I meant like it was gradiated. Then you got some terracottas and some gloves and some more tulips up here, and I'm not sure what those are supposed to be. And then you've got begonias here, and then your pansies, of course, and violets and daffodils. And there's, see, I don't know. There's another bird right there. I didn't see him. And then your hummingbirds. It's just gorgeous. I just love it. Yeah. I know. I got 552 projects. Have I finished it? Oh, I finished 2 diamond paintings this year. 2. Yeah, we don't want to go there. So, yeah, it'll be beautiful. And the flowers are all outlined around, you know, so you can see them with the various colors. So, this will be really pretty. I'd show you the long arm, but I'm using it right now. Let me get this all back where it needs to be. What did I do? Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh well, I'll put it away later. But at least I have some bobbins that'll keep me busy, and I don't know what I'll do with the excess. You know, you can only wrap so much. These are cut into, I don't know if these necessarily are cut into lengths, because the other one, when I tried to wrap it, it was like 15 individual 6-stranded lengths. And I don't know. It says cotton fabric, cotton thread, needle, and instructions. But what I was looking for is if it said anything about, if you, I'm going to just use 2. I like the 2 strands. So that'll work out really well when I get ready to do that one that's 2 colors. So it must make it look variegated. So that'll be something new and different to do. I'm not going to start it right away. Whoops, sorry. Not going to start it right away. So, oh, here we go. We'll see. But I think I've got one more cross stitch coming from Golden Pano. It won't be here for a while. I have another Diamond Art Club coming. And I have a Timney Arts coming. But it won't be here until May. So, I think somewhere in May. Maybe the end of May, first part of June. I don't know. They emailed me and said that it wasn't going out and wouldn't be available until that part. And I'm like, okay. So, I don't know. But I got a shipping number. So, we'll see what happens. But it usually takes 2 or 3 weeks at least. Whoops, sorry. All right. Well, thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell so you'll know when my next video comes out. Y'all have a great day, and thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.